today we're going to be doing a DIY grass wall. So I just received my package of my grasses, and I'm going to take them out and show you guys how they look. The first thing that I noticed when opening this box is that these grass pallets, or tiles, or whatever you want to call them, they're pretty big, but they smell like burnt tires. I don't know why they have this stench, but I'm going to figure out how I can lay them out and wash them possibly before hanging them up on my wall, because I do not want my room to smell like this. It also came with these green zip ties. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using these because I did buy a staple gun, but I'm glad they came with them. I'll also link down below the link for Amazon where I bought these from. It came with a set of 8, and it was about $55, which is very inexpensive. And I think they look pretty good for $55. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take all of these out, and I'll come back to you when I can see how big it is. So here you can see my grass wall. It's gonna be a pretty decent size, and it's gonna take up a majority of my wall, which is what I was looking for. So now I'm out here in my patio. I've laid out all of my grass pallets. I'm now showing you my bowl of soap water, and I'm gonna go ahead and disperse it all over the grass pallets and do a sweeping motion over your grass pallets with the soap water. Please use a clean brush or a broom, whatever you have. I had a broom handy, so I'm gonna go ahead and sweep over it. I'm trying to get into all of the grooves and crevices of the grass palette so that I could get out all of the dirt. I might have been a little bit too rough when sweeping it. A couple of stems came off, so I'm just going to keep these and put them to the side and use it where I feel that the grass wall is a little gappy. So right now what I'm doing is trying to stack the pallets. As you can see, I was cleaning one of them and one of the stems popped off, so I just popped it right back on, which wasn't too hard. And I'm gonna attempt to stack them and pour water over them, hoping that the water will drip through and clean all of them, but that didn't really work. So you'll see me make 2 stacks and try to pour the water over it until I decide to just go ahead and bring it to my bathroom and let the shower head spray over all of the pallets and clean it off. I just don't have a hose accessible to where I am right now, so my best option was to put it in my tub, but I do not recommend doing that because it was very messy and very dirty. Hi, so now we're in my room. So I'm going to be installing the grass wall to this wall right here behind me. So I'm going to try to figure out how to do that by myself, and you're going to watch me. If it's a fail, I'm going to have to wait for someone to come over and help me do this, but hopefully I'm able to do it on my own and I won't have to wait. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm pretty much done here now. I'm just fixing any gaps and spaces that I see. If you'd like to know how I made this neon light, please leave a comment down below. If you like the content that I post, please check out some of the other videos that I have up. I post every Wednesday and Sunday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Bye.